So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take forced rhubarb from this delicious colour here into this slightly older one, which has been maturing for a few weeks. And then you strain this and it turns into this delicious bright pink bottle. As you can see, it's got amazing colour to it. It's a really lurid sort of Barbie pink. It's a really good present for people who like pink stuff or just a really romantic present. So the first thing you need to do is get your hands on forced rhubarb. It grows in Yorkshire, it's picked by candlelight, never sees the sunshine. Because of that, it saves this really nice, bright, pinky red colour. None of that sort of green, brown stuff you get with the normal rhubarb. Normal rhubarb works for this fine, it'll taste delicious, but it'll have that slightly browny, sort of murky colour, which doesn't look great. Just finely chop it. Add it to a jar. Then you add some bit of lemon zest for flavouring. You don't have to add this, but it adds a really nice citrusy tang to it. You can also add cloves, bay leaves, star anise, any kind of flavours you like, but I'll try and keep it quite simple. And then sugar. The sugar is really important. The sugar takes out all the flavours. You don't want to use too much, it makes it too syrupy, and you can always add more later on if you want to be a bit sweeter, but you need a bit of sugar just to start the process of drawing out all the rhubarb juices. That's about enough. And then add cheap vodka. Put on the lid and then shake it every day or so until the sugar's dissolved. After about 3 weeks, it will look like this. And once it's like this, it's ready to strain, put into a bottle and then drink it. That's it. The same technique works really well for other soft fruits. Plums are really, really good. I've loved making plum rum, blackberries, all those sort of things. And you can play around with gin, whiskey, any spirit really, but vodka is a very clean spirit. So it just takes the flavourings well and doesn't clash. So if you've had experience of making something like this or sloe gin and you've got some tips, please leave it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.